Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be looking at ticker symbol EVGO today. This is a viewer requested video. Haven't looked at this one yet, admittedly. We're also going to go ahead and do some advanced charting, not on the Bitcoin, but for EVGO. Yeah, I haven't charted this one before. 24 down to $1.65. Okay. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump in. This is, I'm guessing, electric vehicle stock, but we'll analyze. A huge move. It went from $1.63 up to about $9 within a few months, and it's just been selling off. Okay. Don't know what the news was, but we normally have our bigger picture at the end. Okay, we're gonna open that up as well. We're also going to see what hedge funds and institutions are doing, and we're also going to see if this stock deserves to be $3.30 some cents. So, again, strength is with the bears. You could see the bulls really had a nice little streak here, but now it's taking a breather. It's really hard to tell if this is going to be going down further or if it's just taking a breather at $3.30. Again, our momentum got super hot in terms of power, but again, it did not get overbought. So now, again, we're not sure if it's taking a breather here. Is it going to pop again, or is it going to head lower? We're going to get a better picture down here in the financials in just a moment. Money flow looks like it went to all-time highs, and it is chilling now. And our relative momentum indicator was scraping the bottom of the ocean, and it has come up. So is this a sustainable move? Will this stock stay at $3 or will it go back to $1? That's what I'm here for. So we're going to go ahead and figure that out. Okay. While this is loading, we'll let it do its thing. Okay, let's just take a quick, brief view of this stock. Income is negative 44 million. They make 239 million. Not bad. Whoops. EPS was negative 0.46 for 2023. We just want to see if they're doing better. Please be better than 0.046. All right, negative 0.42. So a 0.08 increase on the EPS, which is good. It is an improvement. Also, this is huge. 2023, they did 160 million. Trailing 12 months, 239 million. So that is great. This looks like a red flag here, just a little bit. Quick ratio, perfect. If they were to close their doors tomorrow, they'd be able to pay off any loans, debts, notes, etc. A lot of people are shorting this right about meow. Lot of shares out there. So this is going to be a very, very interesting review. So EPS is improving. Sales definitely improving. Shares outstanding, not a good look. 2023, there was 102 million shares out there. 2024, there's 130 million. Now we're in 2025. Are they going to add more? We're going to find out later this year. 2020, there was 28 million shares. 2021, 2022, there's about 70 million. So they've about almost doubled since 21, 22. The more shares you add to the pool, the more it dilutes the value, loses the value of what's existing. So not very ideal, but let's go ahead and just get through our calculation here. And we're going to go ahead and figure out if this stock deserves to be at $3.30 some cents, or if it should be higher or lower. So there's a market cap of 1,020 million. Good for them. Income is negative 44 million, 310,000. Sales, they did 239 million, 310,000. Right? Yeah. Okay. Now we're going on to the cash and the debt. It can't be too bad if the quick ratio is at a 2. They must have a lot of cash for debt or very little debt, in my opinion. And then really quick, net income. It's kind of just hanging out. Let's go to annual. Net income is getting further away from profitability. Something to watch. Something to watch. It's only negative 44 million, but something to watch. Uh, whoa, 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 whoa. You guys probably saw this. I missed this. Gross margins? 1%, 2%, 3%, negative 4%? I missed that. Gross margin is 1%. Every $100 they spend, they're making $101.09. Wow. Hopefully that improves. Let's adjust the camera a little bit. That is not good. Okay, let's growing pains. Let's go ahead and finish this. Cash there is 153 million 410,000. Debt. Yeah, not that much. 79,460,000. All right. All right, all right, all right. Cash is fine. Total assets 791 million. Total liabilities 325. So assets dwarf liabilities 2 to 1. So that is perfecto. Perfecto. All right, let's see who's selling. CEO sold some at $5. Not good. Director sold 23 million shares. Am I reading that right? Is that a typo? That has to be a typo. That has to be a typo. But Badar Khan. Okay, so this is what I do not like is basically CEOs or people who buy the stock and then end up selling it. It kind of looks like they're swing trading their stock. Badar Khan, he bought 125,000, sold 166,000. Nice swing trade, dude. You made about 250K at least in profit. So, and then the company sold 23 million shares for 115 million. That might have been for the shares outstanding that we're seeing, which is nuts. So, um, red flag, I would say beige flag for sure. I don't like when the CEO swing trades their stock. So, again, that's a personal thing. You could probably just see it as nothing, but it just me personally. 130 million share, 130 million, 690,000. Come on, 690. Okay, we're gonna get a stock price of $9.86. And then I just need to do something really quick because this is kind of annoying me. Ariel 10. Ariel, where are you, Ariel? You don't want to come out here? Ariel 10. Perfect. Okay. Potential stock price of $9. However, I do want to show you something. This is on the way down, obviously. Went from $9, now it's at 3. When the stock gets below $1 billion market cap, we're looking at a $2 stock. Based on today's income sales without any market cap. We do want to be cognizant. Of course, there's going to be some influence of the market cap to the stock, but I'm guessing by the time this video comes out, the market cap might be under 1 billion. It falls out of my range for including it into the calculation. So I think this stock, we're going to do 600 million here just to be, and it's $3 stock. So this thing's falling hard, falling fast. A lot of people are shorting it. We might see a pop. We have not seen a pop yet. We kind of have an Elliott flag here, so we should see a potential pop, like a spike, maybe up to like 582 and then a drawdown back. If the stock continues to follow trajectory. And the major concern I have with this is the gross margins is at 1%. And the CEO is swing trading their stock like it's his own personal account. So those are my concerns. Um, let's look at some advanced charting now. All right. So what I want to do here, I just want to see how well this stock respects the Fibonacci. Oh, mama, look at this. This candle perfectly kisses right here. You have to acknowledge art, and that is, can you guys see that? Right here, this candle. It is art with a capital A-R-T. Wow. And then this candle right here, 10 out of 10 support test. Oh, 10 out of 10 support here. Great. Falls. I mean, this is good. Now, this is what I foresee. Do not hate me. I'm going to continue charting this out of respect. I like that right there. Okay. You might be asking, why did I draw that line? We go all the way from this very bottom support. Look at all the confirming supports that exist prior to today. So we got a great support test, 10 out of 10 support, 10 out of 10 support test, 10 out of 10 support test, 10 out of 10 support test, falls through, breaks up, 10 out of 10 support test, falls through, breaks up, great test, falls through, perfect resistance, 8 out of 10 resistance, fantastic. And then 10 out of 10 support or resistance test. So potentially looking at $1.76. But at some point, the stock goes below zero, or this line goes below zero, and it becomes irrelevant. So maybe a test of 176 if we have a black swan event. Again, a black swan event for the next year puts us at 24 cents as a potential low, as a black swan. Not this company specifically. Um, yeah, we'll just make it like that. Okay. This is like a perfect trampoline right here. Boing, choop, like a something like that. That would be pretty cool. Spike up to 6. It would be kind of expected. Okay. So it looks like it tried to break out of a wedge that we have here. There's so many ways you could slice and dice this, honestly. Like right there. And if we go here all the way to the very low, kind of in a wedge, breaks up. Now we're gonna see some softening and potential support bounce right here. $2.15, $1.60, what have you. Again, this company is valued more than that. What they need to do for earnings coming up March 5th, if that's the true date, they need to have better gross margins. It's not negative, but it's not good. They're getting further away from profitability. Again, not good. So this is going to be a hard one. That spike to 9 was beautiful, but I think we're in for some hard times here just because the amount of shares that are outstanding, shares that are being shorted. Yeah. And then institutions own 43%. That is old data. New data shows they actually own 58. And look at that. We see a spike to all-time highs and then a small little decrease here. So again, it signifies the move that we saw. EVgo member holdings. Yeah, these are all fine. Vanguard added 50% last year in February. Did they should have sold. February, the stock was as high as 299, as low as 290 or 193. So they made a lot of money, but did they cash out? I don't think so. Because it would have shown, I think. So that's my thoughts on EVgo. I think I would just hold off for now. Let me know your thoughts. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. We'll see what happens. This could be a very exciting company. Is $3 too low for this company right now? Potentially. We're gonna have to see how the next quarter goes. Again, there's a lot of people shorting it. If it's not a golden quarter, we probably might see this just tank. Further than it already is. Does it deserve to tank like that? Probably not. Sales are reversing to the upside, EPS reversing to the upside. Institutions are buying here, so that's my thoughts. Take with it what you will. I don't have a position, won't be opening a position now right now. But let me know your thoughts and have a good one.